Hey guys, so today I am going to dye my dad's hair, but this time for real now, because if you have seen our previous video, we actually tried dyeing his hair the natural way, so that didn't work. So today I'm going to give my dad a hair makeover. So I will be dyeing his hair and I will be styling his hair because he hasn't really visited the barber for a really long time. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the hair color that I will be using is the one from Speedy. It's only for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can wash your hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and prepare this and then call my dad. Alright you guys, so this is my dad and his hair, and I think that you all have seen what his white hair looks like before. So here is some targeted areas that we really want to cover up, especially right here. And I think it would be great if we can even out the color of his hair. Finally.
Here we go!
There's gonna be a transformation that's gonna happen.
Now the color is dark brown?
Yes, dark brown. And I think that's why we need to even out the color of your hair. And hopefully this actually works. Because once again, this is it's not really herbal, but this is one of those, you know, hair dyes that claims to work for like 10 minutes.
So how long does this dye last? 3 months?
I think so, depending on your hair growth, really. Trying to make my dad the Wolverine, but since he doesn't have that much of a hair, we're calling him the figurine.
Whoa, what's happening?
See, kaya nga, dapat mo na siya dito, dapat mo na siya ulit, ganon. Ayun.
Oh, there you go. Whoa! Right, well, I'm satisfied. What do you call me again? From Wolverine to a figurine. Figurine. Well, yes. You figure it all out. From this? Oh my gosh. Oh, oops.
We'll wait for 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yep, just 10 minutes.
I thought 30 minutes.
Actually, this claims 10 minutes, so...
Oh, that's good. Yeah. You know, and it's not hurting my scalp.
Yeah, which is great.
Do I look 20 years younger?
Yeah! The timer starts now. Alright, you guys, so this is the result of my father's hair. It's back to dark. All of the white hairs are gone. Actually, this color is dark brown. It's not even black, but it looks black.
And my hair is still wet. Yeah,
your hair is still wet. So we are going to be drying this out, and then after that we are going to style it. Okay, so my dad's hair is about 90% dry, I think. So we can now style his hair. Now he has his own way of styling his own hair, but I'm going to attempt to style it my way.
Oh no, here we go.
So I'm just going to be using gel, just like that.
I haven't even placed gel on my hair for about probably 35 years.
So I think we're just going to work with your parting, Father.
Well, look at your hands. It's so amazing. It's just like a comb. Oh, no need to comb my hair.
Kasi, pag i-K-pop tingnan my hair.
Do you think your mom will, will have her jaw drop? Oh.
Yeah, mom will be shook.
Yeah, better shook than shocked.
Yeah. Okay.
Is that my kind of... Is that my kind of... Well, can I do it?
Okay, he'll let him do it himself.
Because when she combs my hair, I feel like there's a chicken wanting to lay egg on my hair.
But I hairdo was like good.
Right? Yeah. Just to make you feel good.
Okay,
All
so
right.
that is it, you guys.
I look more human this way. Side
Give
view.
us a side view.
this.
Yeah, turn your...
The other one.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
Yep,
Mhm.
okay. Happy Father's Day!
Wow. Thank you.
So, okay, do you have any advice for all of the fathers?
Be a dad to your children. Yeah, a loving dad, a so nice dad, a friendly dad, a dad that knows how to feel the kids of today.
And like in a godly perspective, like what would you advise to all of the men?
Yeah, for the dads out there, for your spiritual side, the most important thing is the wisdom of God. Because the wisdom of God teaches you what to do next. And that is, you receive instructions, directions, and even corrections from God, which you can use for your life and for your family, especially your children.
Amen.
Yeah.
So that is it, you guys. I hope you all like this makeover, and happy Father's Day to all of the fathers out there. That's it. And I will see you. You still cannot get over with the Wolverine thing. Yeah. So that's it. And I will see you on my next